and we're off. Southend Airport. Worst I've ever known it, to be fair. The conveyor kept stopping, but we're running a bit late. Hopefully I'll grab a beer. TUI. Ah! Hey! That's it, man.
How are you?
Flight transfer. We've got to see TUI to let them know, or we're in a coach. We tell them. Yeah.
Yeah, we get on them with them.
Right, we're at Marmaris Airport, Dalaman. I went to speak to the guy at EasyJet and he ain't got a clue what we're going on with that, so I don't know. I was going to let him know we're not getting the coach. Hey, have we got a bar in there? Good, mate, thank you.
Six. Okay.
You alright?
Okay, thank you so much.
Thank you.
9
Yep.
and William 520.
Brilliant, lovely.
Both on the 5th floor. Upstairs on the right there is lift you can use.
Okay, yeah.
Right, and inside the envelope you can find your key cards
Lovely.
and towel cards for pool.
Okay.
There is towel station near the pool outside.
Okay, yeah.
Card, take the towel, and when you drop back your towel, please take
Take the card.
pen.
Yeah. Okay.
Same everything.
Yeah.
What is going on? What is going on?